over 400 treaties. Over 100 have education and health clauses. What that means is they say things like, as partial payment for land sold, the U.S. government promises to provide for the health and education of all parties to this treaty as mentioned heretofore, and their descendants as long as grasses grow and rivers flow. So many treaties have said this, it's part of what is known as the U.S. federal government's trust responsibility to Native nations. And so the Bureau of Indian Education or the Indian Health Service is not a special right for a special interest group. It is partial payment for land sold. And if anyone objects, we can revisit all the treaties and bring it on because we got lawyers now.